In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to send an image through WhatsApp without losing quality. I have this image here and I'm going to use this as an example. So this is a survey plan and you can see that it has the plots and the coordinates information. Now let me right click and have a look at properties. You can see that the size of this image is 25.5 MB. Now, for you to send this image without losing quality, let's first of all open the WhatsApp application, and I'm going to choose a chat where I'm going to send. Down here on the chat box, you can see that we have this plus icon. So this is an attach button. Click on that, and you're going to get all these options. So the first option is documents. You can see we have photo, camera, and all these. So the option for you to choose in order to not lose quality of our photo is the first option that says document. So you click on documents and you go to the file that you want to send. You select it and then click open. Now you can click send. So the recipient of this file is going to receive the same file and the same size and quality as we send it. This next option is to use a third-party application to compress or just compress this. You can just right-click and find WinRAR, or if you don't have WinRAR, just go to a web browser and you type WinRAR. WinRAR. You hit enter, they select the official link and you click on download here. So I don't need to download this because I already have it installed. Now once you install, just right click on the file or the image that you want to send and select place your cursor on WinRAR and click on add to archive, like so. Now here I'm going to leave the name as it is, and the archive format I'll choose zip. You can also choose RAR, and then you click OK. Now open your WhatsApp application again, select the chat, and you can just either touch the file or you can just drag right there and click send. So that's the second method. And also you can choose to send this image as a PDF. That's the last option. You can convert this to a PDF. Simply go to your web browser and search for I love PDF without spacing and hit enter. Select the official website of I love PDF and look for JPG to PDF. So here I'm going to drag. You can select the file, but you can also drag and drop. And so select the formats. You can select the settings here as you wish and then click on convert. Once the image has been converted, you now hit on the download button, and you can see up above here the process of downloading that is ongoing. So you can close the web browser and go to download folder, and you can find it here as a PDF. So I'm just going to cut this and paste on the desktop. So go to your chart again, select the PDF and drop, and you can send that. Now if you open this PDF, you can see the quality is the same. You can see all the texts are visible. You can see everything that coordinated information. You can easily see all the information that needed. That's all for this tutorial.